Kutesmart is a professional MDM manufacturer, about 11 years. Our main products include custom men and women suit, jacket, shirt, vest, overcoat, and tuxedo. Our forerunner Red Collar developed RCMTM 3D platform, which is integrated from our ERP and production system, can transfer data and orders all over the world. Kutesmart utilizes calculating, thus realizing the mass production of individualized custom products. More than 80 machines are imported from Germany, France, and Japan. About 420 handicraftsmen, 380 tailors, 1,200 experienced sewing workers are ready to serve for you through 28 steps in cutting and 298 exclusive steps in processing, as well as 25 steps in QC. A suit is just a piece of artwork that we will accomplish. After updated to a new internet company, we realize to produce every garment in different patterns, buttons, linings, contrast. They enjoy the processing of designing their own garments. Kutesmart can deliver custom garment within 7 working days by express companies such as UPS, DHL, and FedEx. Customers come to Kutesmart and set up good relationship with us because all of them are satisfied with our consistent quality and service. Kutesmart research and develop its own control and managing system called SED. This system guarantees high work efficiency from ordering, cutting, making, QC, and packing. This is a great merit for us to compete in foreign MDM markets.